The next 15 minutes is going to be the quantum transformation in your energy field. I am going to change your electromagnetic field. I am going to change your electric signals of the brain. I am going to change your heart's electromagnetic radiations and overall Kundalini energy moving in your body, so that all the transformation that you go through will happen automatically in the happening mode, and you don't have to do anything to change anything about your life that your mind or ego is guiding. So be ready for the transformation, and for that you need to relax completely, drop your body's weight on the bed, and don't try to change anything in your life that is given to you. You just need to dismantle from one layer to another layer, one belief system to another belief system that has been learned by your nervous system and which has created a mind of its own, which shows you limitation. In the quantum field, in the quantum reality, there is no distance, there is no time, there is no space. Everything is here and now. There is no relative reality. The quantum is everything that you cannot see, cannot feel, cannot observe as a third person or as the mind, because everything that is the quantum. Every possibility exists in the quantum, and with my powers I transform you to create your own reality by paying attention to energies that transform you in the present. The quantum works on the principle of where attention goes, energy flows and it grows. This means that in the quantum, the most important and the most powerful force is consciousness. Consciousness is what makes thing possible and makes thing real. When you pay attention with intention to something, something comes alive. When you become the observer in the quantum, when you become observer of your life, the first thing that happens is the witness consciousness takes birth. You will be able to see everything as a spectator, and when you start observing something, it becomes enlivened. Till now, you have lived the life of the mind, the life of the ego, the life of the personality, which is so much limited with the beliefs, conditioning, and patterns that you have learned in life. All the responses that your nervous system has learned in the process of living life is limited. In the process of living life, you have learned to behave in a certain way, talk in a certain way, eat in a certain way, walk in a certain way, use your five senses in a certain way. And with repeated practice, you have become a personality which behaves in a certain way. I am dismantling every neural pathway that you have learned in the process, and I am making your neural pathways virgin, like a baby where nothing is learned. What you train your body, what you make yourself go through the process of learning the alphabet, the letters of the alphabet, I am making you learn life like that. Each moment is a new moment, and in the quantum reality, everything happens in the energy, frequency and vibration dimension. In reality, the absolute is like that. On earth or in the universe, everything is actually energy, and energy has no form. Energy takes form when you pay attention to something. So wherever you are in life, if you pay attention to something, that something will come alive. If you want to create your life from zero field, then you have to first become zero. You have to first dismantle completely as a mind ego, and only when that happens, then the transformation and the possibility to create reality becomes the highest. This means that this moment is given to you. What kind of energy you want to feel in this moment as a form depends on your frequency, and the frequency of the quantum is of the flow frequency. In the flow frequency works on the principle of excitement frequency. This means that excitement is a certain vibration, and I'm taking you towards the quantum reality where the excitement frequency decides what kind of activity you will choose in that moment to feel the flow of life. If eating food is your excitement in that moment, you will eat food with full attention and presence, with full consciousness, and you will enjoy eating food. Once that moment is over, the next excitement could be going for a walk in nature, appreciating the beauties of nature, feeling fresh air, just having the experience of walking naturally without any deadline, without any other goal other than the pleasure of walking. And this kind of activities you can choose always. If you feel like expressing something, talking something, you can create videos and presentations which you want to express through. You can read books, you can write something, you can create your own life by creating music or traveling or doing anything that excites you in that moment. This means that every moment is a new moment, and in that moment, whatever excites you, do that, and you will live the most fulfilling life you have ever lived. Since you have lived in your mind and the patterns of the society, the civilization, it has taught you nothing more than doing a job repeatedly for years, and you became robot of the society and of the matrix. But when you are completely into this powerful energy, quantum transformation, you realize that I was limited with my conditioning and beliefs and the neural pathways that I have created over years. When I am in the quantum, I don't need to follow anything. I just need to allow life to happen from you, and you just need to be available to life. And with my powers, you can feel that life is here and now. You don't need to do anything in this moment. You just need to flow with the life's frequency, and you have a powerful device called the body, mind, and this human organism. And your heart radiates and has the potential to capture electromagnetic waves from the environment and make you feel expanded or contracted. If any activity is not making you feel expanded and your heart is actually giving you signals, don't do this, then don't do this. If the heart is telling you don't talk to this person or don't do this activity, then you should definitely follow your heart. And when you do that, your brain will always keep you in rest and digest mode. Otherwise, your brain takes you to the freeze mode and you are not living your energetic reality. You have to live your energetic reality. You have to live the life you have created for yourself, and that is why this quantum transformation is important. This means that all the human beings who are living their life are limited because of the mind, because of the matrix, because of the civilization that has transformed them into just herd of sheep. And you are not the herd of sheep. You are the unique organism, the lion, which is meant to create a new life and focus on your abilities and potential. You don't know what potentials you carry until and unless you allow life to happen from you. This means that you could become a scientist, you can become an inventor, you can become an entrepreneur, you can become a businessman, you can become a musician, you can become anything that you pay attention to and you are excited about it. And there is no limit to what you will do in one life. There is no deadline for your death. You can live 100 years or 150 years or 200 years, there is nothing written or anything in the quantum field which limits your age also. Human beings are the most powerful organism on earth who can extend their age by breathing slow, and breathing slow happens only when I guide you towards the transformation that you are going through right now. So put both of your hands, and in the quantum field I am going to transform you and your brain waves in the next 5 minutes, and you will see the shift. Join both the hands and put on your navel, and just allow yourself to do nothing for some time. The biofeedback from your hands will make your diaphragm move, and the breathing will happen on its own. You just need to let go of all the hold in your nervous system, and if you are unable to do it, then your brain will do it. Putting your hands on the navel gives the brain the biofeedback that everything is all right, everything is relaxed. Slowly, your parasympathetic nervous system is getting activated, and my energy transmission is so strong that even the parrot in your room is responding because of this energy, because I know how powerful it is, and that is why they have the sensors to sense energies. I have already transferred my energy to you, and your energy is sensed by the parrot, and that is why she is speaking. She is definitely sensing something powerful through the electromagnetic radiations that I am radiating from here. So even if I am in a different country, in Nepal, and you are in Singapore, but in the quantum reality, it doesn't matter. What matters is this power, and this power has the potential to reach beyond boundaries, beyond space, beyond time, and that is what my purpose was. After this transformative session, you don't need to get up, you just need to process this energy. If you are sleepy, you need to sleep well, and from tomorrow don't try to do anything, just keep witnessing what is exciting you in that moment, and from moment to moment you will keep flowing in life. The nature of activity does not matter. What matters is your energy, and with this energy you have to feel complete freedom. Until and unless you experience complete freedom, there is no transformation to the next level. So since you have received my Shaktipat for your enlightenment, for freedom, it has to stabilize. So the 3 stages of freedom that has to happen. The first stage is self-realization, that is enlightenment. Second stage is self-stabilization. So right now you are going through the self-stabilization stage. This means that this moment you are free, next moment you are free forever. And that is the state of experiencing samadhi. Until and unless you experience samadhi, there is no sahat samadhi. Samadhi means the state of liberation that you experience moment to moment, every moment, and it is permanent. This means that nobody can shake your state of freedom. And once this state of freedom is completed through the energy intensity, then the next stage will start, that is bringing you to Sahat Samadhi. Sahat Samadhi means that your freedom is intact, but it is in flow mode. Life happens in flow mode, and I am going to shift you to flow frequency after this stage of non-doing, experiencing Samadhi completely, coming back to home completely, coming back to pure consciousness, and not doing anything deliberately from mind patterns or egoic patterns. And when you do this, you will realize that I am going through the most powerful quantum transformation anyone has ever gone through, and I am going to make it happen. This is where your will comes. So the next stage and the next session, I will focus on strengthening your willpower to live as a conscious being and that is the next leap that I will take you through. Right now the session is almost completed. You have gone into a state. I have worked on your brain, your wave transformation. I have worked on your subconscious brain, from where transformation happens. I have taken you to the state from where real transformation happens, and this quantum transformation will first work on bringing you to your center. You will come back to consciousness every time you do the practices that I have guided you to do. So all the best for your transformation. You don't need to respond. You just experience the powerful transformation, and after you become normal, then you can sleep well, complete your process of sleeping, and next morning you can share with me anything that has shifted in you, and any question if you have, you can ask me. So bless you for the powerful life ahead, but before that, experience the freedom completely.